Uy, hi Dea!
Hi.
Ano nga, nagkakaroon ko ba na?
I'm not mad. I'm just frustrated. Hindi ko kasi mapailaw yung science project na to eh.
Ano ba science project mo?
Yung electric circuit board.
Di ba makapag sa amin?
Yeah. Nawala kasi sa isip ko. I got so busy.
You want help? It'll be easy lang naman.
Sure kayo ah? Kayo nagagawa ng project ko?
Siyempre, hindi naman. Tutulong lang kami. Ikaw pa rin gagawa.
Halika, I'll show you.
Wow. Ano yan?
This is my PP. I'll use it as an example. So first, ididikit mo to.
Wait, don't you think we should teach her the components of the electric circuit board?
Okay.
Okay, so this is a battery. It powers the light bulb. Hindi mo lang matter. How will it work?
Eh, di magic.
Talaga ba?
O tulog.
Okay, chill. Ano next sa power source?
Well, syempre, pag alam mo na yan, para dumalo yung electricity, kailangan natin ng wires. And always remember, kapag red, positive. Kapag blue, negative.
Na may wire na tayo at battery, ano pang kailangan namin?
I don't know. Basta, miss ko na siya.
Yeah.
Sorry na, sorry. Eh di ano, yung switch.
Ayun, finally.
So, practically, dahil alam mo na yan, pupunta na tayo sa pag-make ng circuit board.
Uy, chismis, ha? Tungkol talaga to sa science, babe.
Ay.
Anyway, so in order for the circuit board to work, you have to connect the battery to the wire. And then once you're done with that, connect the wires to the switch. Okay? And then connect the wires to the socket. And then put the bulb in, and there you go.
Pinakaantok ka mag-explain.
Oo na, it's so untalking me.
So, yun lang gagawin ko.
Oo, babe. Gets mo ba?
Yeah, I get it. Pero wala lang talagang ganang gumawa eh.
Baka may punong motivation na.
Naka-TDH na yan.
Okay, I hope you get it. Bye!
Bye, Dia.
Oh, be, laban lang.
Battery, i-connect sa wire. Tapos, yung switch and bulb. Huh?
Sorry, mamadali ako. Okay.
Ang nadarama, makita lang kita ng isang saglit.
Pero, you know, there's something different about you.
Diba naman eh. I'm just happy because natapos ko na yung project ko sa science.
Well, sino ginawa motivation?
Wala nga. Pero ano, there's this one guy I bumped into.
Wait, no. May spark ba or what?
I don't know. Basta, he lit up my world.
Nakakakaba